Hello friends, welcome to another episode of All About Automobile. Today's topic is very interesting and hence please do watch the entire video. Let's get started. In life, we do come across many occasions which call for important decision making. Some common examples are finding your life partner, buying a house, and choosing a career. Buying a car is another big occasion which calls for effective decision making. A lot of people buy cars by focusing on a single or a couple of parameters at the max and repent their decision over the next few years. Is it possible to consider multiple parameters while making the decision to purchase a car? Can a holistic approach be followed in this regard? The answer is a loud and reassuring yes. I'll tell you how to do it. Let's have a quick look at the options that are available in the market. Micro SUVs, compact SUVs, full-size SUVs, hatchbacks, crossovers, MPVs, compact sedans, and sedans. Now let's go through key factors which must be considered while buying a car. Usage pattern, road condition, intended usage, and lifestyle related factors. Now let's try to understand these with an example. Based on the information about Rahul, what is your recommendation to him? I recommend either a micro SUV or a compact SUV. Multiple parameters can be used to compare two or more cars and finalize the one which is best suited to your requirements. To facilitate easy comparison, I have bucketed the parameters under three main categories, namely safety, comfort and convenience, and practicality. As an example, I have compared two of the popular compact SUVs, the Tata Nexon and the Maruti Vitara Brezza, across multiple parameters. Remember, scores are subjective and could change depending upon the evaluator. The model, however, is quite handy for evaluating multiple cars across parameters. So I hope today's episode was useful. Please do let me know of your thoughts. My contact details are listed in the description box if you wish to contact.